Tell us your thoughts and also a little bit, if you can, I don't know if you've been watching this trend. One thing that we've noticed, and this is true for large parts of India, not just Calcutta and the rest of the region here. With inflation at the numbers they are in the last 4 years running, buying power is considerably been dented in this country. Now that doesn't augur well for a region which relies more on consumption for the economy rather than investment kind of thing. If you have some thoughts on that and the services question that I had for you, Ali.
I think the issue here in Bengal is more mindset, more issue is regarding upgradation of the manpower, training of the manpower, technology. I think if you do that, automatically productivity increases. Most of the industries in West Bengal have not been investing in their manpower and plant and machinery, which has hampered the productivity levels in Bengal. And I think we are equally to be blamed for it. Let's not blame only the labor, we are equally to be blamed. Units which have done it have got the advantage. If I can say personally, last 3-4 years, we've been investing in plant and machinery, and we've got the benefits. If you have a good incentive program, people work. They know that they will get higher pay if they produce more. So that is more of a mindset, more of both internal and external issues. But definitely there is a room for improvement on labor and the productivity. But I don't think that is the problem that we are facing. I think industry in West Bengal, let's face it, this problem of land is going to exist because Bengal has a inherent issue about land, it's a very, very agri land with almost 85% of land under agriculture. So you can't help it. This is a perennial problem, not from today, for donkey years, and this will exist. You can't just get land for Bengal. So I think the Bengal has to look for a USP other than industry itself. And I think services is one industry which definitely Bengal can harp on, because that is where the revenue can come from. I agree with Mr. Charger, revenue is very important. Otherwise, we can go on saying about the debt and the interest and the servicing of debt, but the revenue has to come. And services can definitely give good revenue. And I think West Bengal has the manpower, has the skill set which can actually ensure that we can get services sector to take to a next level.